Kids quiz. Bird riddles. Let's start. I am named after the sound I make. I lay my eggs in other birds' nests. What am I? I'm a cuckoo. A group of me is called a murder. I am very intelligent and I can use simple tools to get what I want. What am I? I'm a crow. I have the biggest wingspan of any bird. I can live for over 50 years. I can glide effortlessly for hours at a time without flapping my wings. What am I? I'm a wandering albatross. I am the world's largest, tallest, and heaviest living bird. I can't fly, but I can run at 70 kilometers per hour. I can survive up to 2 weeks without water. What am I? I'm an ostrich. I'm the smallest living bird in the world. I lay the smallest eggs. I feed on nectars. I am native to Cuba. What am I? I'm a bee hummingbird. I am a bird, but I can't fly. I have flippers instead of wings. I live in ice desert of southern hemisphere. What am I? I'm a penguin. I am not only the fastest bird, I am the fastest living animal on the planet. When in hunting dive, I can reach a peak speed of 390 kilometers per hour. What am I? I'm a peregrine falcon. I am a scavenger and eat animals that are already dead. I generally have a bald head. I pee on my own legs to cool off in hot weather. What am I? I am a vulture. I have a curved beak. I stand on one leg while I sleep. I am colored pink thanks to the food I eat. A group of meals called flamboyants. What am I? I'm a flamingo. I am a flightless parrot from New Zealand. I'm the world's longest living bird, living up to 100 years. What am I? I'm a kakapo. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.